else? What else? Okay, you think.
Say
You
11.
want 11?
Yeah,
Okay.
if you need another color, can you
You want more after that, we'll get more, okay?
just try those for now? Okay.
Sorry about that.
Mountain Creative offers a place to go for people to just be creative and be themselves. People can take an object like a mug or something like that and really make it their own. I started painting here while I was in high school, and I really enjoyed just how Miles and Jesse made you feel welcome and just the welcoming atmosphere. When people leave happily, it just makes me feel like I have a purpose here. The select few of customers that come in that say, I'm not creative, I don't know what I'm doing, we'll help them out and try to give them ideas, but we really want them to realize their potential, that they are creative. I think everybody is creative in their own ways and they have good ideas. And some people will come and say, well, I don't know how I'm going to pull this off, but we're like, just go with it, and then it turns out really good, and then they come back in to pick up their piece and they're like, wow, okay, I really am creative.
I found Main Street Yoga because I had met Angela previous to her opening the studio. So I had just started yoga and I was really excited to branch out from doing it at home and coming to a studio. So I've been coming here since the studio opened. Coming to a studio gave my yoga practice a lot more meaning. Maybe at home you're distracted. Where here you're not. It's peaceful, it's quiet. I was able to really focus on myself. It's really a benefit to know that I'm 15 minutes down the road from a yoga studio. I just think it's better to, if you live here, enjoy what we have locally. It helps our small business owners, makes them successful, it makes our town successful, and there's no need to look to the neighboring town when I think we have a lot here to offer. I'm just grateful to have this in our community.